How to sell more product online using affiliate marketing programs. Attempting to learn about something like affiliate marketing can be quite difficult, and that's because there's just so much misinformation out there. A lot of people want to sell you on their useless products, so they only tell you a part of the story. Check out this video and find out about affiliate marketing, what those other guys aren't telling you. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, provide your visitors with an explanation of the products that you have chosen to advertise. If you tell your visitors the benefits of the items you are promoting, as well as show your support for the items, you can convince your visitors to purchase your affiliate company's products. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. When affiliate marketing, include as many examples of the products you are trying to promote. Create videos, screenshots, or any other way to demonstrate that the product does what it is claiming to do. Be very specific when describing, explaining, or reviewing each product you are linking to. It will encourage people to make the purchase. There are no real secrets in affiliate marketing. There are just tight-lipped people who would rather have your money than give you any advice. Use these tips to help push your marketing efforts to the next level. With the right information and a whole lot of drive, you will succeed at your goals. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.